Are you searching for the best car DVR dash cam? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best car DVR dash cam in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time, but 11.26-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display is like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Supports simultaneous 1:1 display of front and rear cameras. The OBD-PAKK4 recorder uses the latest technology, supports CarPlay and Android Auto functions. Users can easily and safely make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, use navigation, support Siri, and more. You can control the DVR by connected mobile phone via Wi-Fi, like recording video. The file recorded video from the overwriting, taking photo, playback preview, parameter settings, etc. Thanks for watching till the end. This was a short review video where I tried to give you the key highlights of the product in the shortest time possible so your time doesn't go to waste. I always aim to keep things simple, clear, and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the product or checking the latest price, you'll find all the links in the description below. You can also order directly from there if you want. I really appreciate your time, and if you found this video useful, feel free to like, share, or even subscribe for more short and helpful product reviews. See you in the next one.